Growing from the clock-making industry, Bristol truly became the heart of the American Industrial Revolution. Hello everybody, I'm Mark Thomas. Remember those great names of clock-making? Ingram's, Session, Thomas? And then along came Albert Rockwell, who made his fame and fortune selling doorbells. Just about at the same time, the Barnes Group was getting its start as a diversified international manufacturer of metal components and assemblies, and now a distributor of industrial supplies. Bristol continues to embrace manufacturing. It's our lifeblood. We still have a lot of manufacturers growing at record paces in Bristol. And that's good news for the All-Heart City because we have new, clean, viable jobs. One example of Bristol's modern manufacturing is GMN USA. GMN is a world-leading manufacturer of precision ball bearings and high-frequency grinding and machining spindles. They offer both manual and automatic tool change styles with a wide range of tool interfaces. Located in the southeast Bristol Business Park, GMN has attracted a young workforce from the Bristol area. Nick Spallini and Steve Boucher attended Bristol Tech and are now putting their training to work at GMN.
My mom used to cut out article clippings in the paper from the New Britain Herald, etc., about all of these job opportunities, schools, so she used to lay those out in the morning. And then my friend was going to school at Bristol Tech for welding, so when he mentioned that, I looked into the school and they had manufacturing as well, so started looking at that.
Well, it appealed to me in high school because I had the opportunity to go to the tech school. I wasn't planning on going to college like a lot of my friends were. So I had the opportunity to go to manufacturing, and I'm glad I made that decision.
The environment's clean, it's not too loud. Definitely don't go home dirty or anything. Every part that I work on is different. It's a good job, and you know, it's close to home, so don't got to travel far either.
Well, I like that it's not monotonous. Every day is a little bit different. I like working with my hands. A lot of the stuff we make is for aerospace or automotive, so basically, you know, the parts could be used all over the world.
There's a million opportunities out there that, you know, people can seize to get. You know, going to school for an associate, so that I'll get next month. And then after that, I'm going to continue at Tunxis and then transfer to CCSU for a bachelor's. So that's going to be manufacturing management. So the opportunities are pretty much endless there, I think, no matter where you go.
So you can see manufacturing is alive and well in Bristol, and it could be a great career for you. And best of all, there's specific training for a career in manufacturing. If you want to know more, contact the Bristol Adult Education Center or the Bristol Technical Education Center or the Tunxis at Bristol Community College. Your future could be a call away.